Hello, good evening everyone, and welcome back to my new video. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you guys is just like as usual stuff, and also one more thing is that if I can say today is the date 200 and I guess 56th of recording all of this stuff. So yeah, so this is also quite a good achievement for us, and also for being consistent. It is an achievement also only. Okay, so and what else I'm going to share with you guys is just like as usual, I'm going to say basically about my day-to-day life and also all the other stuff that I'll be sharing with you guys in the upcoming few minutes. So just be with me, okay, and don't go anywhere and just listen to me, okay. And also one more thing that just don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, okay. And okay, so let's start from the beginning actually. So basically last night after you can say recording of this video, what I did was I you can say placed up this smartphone on the staircase just for getting a stable Wi-Fi connection, and using which basically I uploaded my basically I just uploaded I also uploaded, but I also put the video for getting uploaded on the YouTube itself, okay. So I just put my smartphone on the stairs, and after that I came back to my room, and you can say I wrote one page of handwriting and also some other stuff like you can say basically I studied all the stuff like that mathematical physics part, basically what the Laplace transform, okay. I studied about Laplace transform, and after that I will say at around 11, at around 11 p.m. with 5 to 7 minutes of only, basically I brought my phone back from the stairs, and after that we went to sleep. And after that basically I woke up myself first at 3 a.m. Just for turning the alarm. And also one thing that last night you can say the electricity was going again and again, and we can say there was quite a lot of fluctuations in the electricity, so due to which you can say I was unable to quite get a fine sleep at that time, I can say, because of the intense heat was there outside in the environment. And so what I did was you can say when the electricity went off, I can say went in, I can say, outside just for getting the quite a fresh air. And after that, when I arrived back into my this room, when the electricity arrived, and after that I can say I turned off the alarm of 3 a.m. and then after I woke up myself at 5 a.m. sharp, yes. And after waking up myself at 5 a.m., what I did was you can say at first I just you can say brushed up my teeth, not actually brushing up my teeth directly. At first I drank the water, and after that I brushed up my teeth and did my skincare routine. Not actually skincare routine. I just washed up my face, okay. And after that, I can say I continued my study stuff, and I can say basically continued about my that mathematical physics part, or you can say I continued the Laplace transform stuff, okay. And you can say in the Laplace transform, what I did was you can say I studied about some sort of how we can write the Laplace transform and how we can find the Laplace transform of any function, okay. And how what is the representation of the Laplace transform, and about the various identities of the Laplace transform, and also some Laplace transform for some particular functions, and I would say some other functions, yes, functions, okay. So I just you can say studied out that stuff, and basically I studied about this all stuff during my whole day, okay. So during in the early in the morning basically I studied about the Laplace transform only, and I just covered up some basics, and after that I say solved some of the numerical problem stuff. And after that you can say at around 7:30, or you can say at around 8 basically I went into the bathroom for getting myself freshen up. And after freshening up myself, what I did was like once I came back to my this room, and after that I continued my study stuff. And also like at around 8:30, yes, at around 8:34, yes, around 8:34 I would say I got my that milk boiled, and after that I placed up that milk into my phone in the that under the fan. And after that, I would say I prepared up the my shake at around 9:30. Okay, and after preparing up the banana shake, basically I finished up of that, and after finishing up of that, basically I continued my that mathematical physics part. Okay, and after like I can say basically I just studied about some of the properties of the Laplace transform. Okay, and I can say about the derivative property of the Laplace transform, and also some of the other properties too. Okay. Yeah, so basically this was the stuff, and after that basically I can say finished up of my lunch at around, basically we started our lunch at around uh, at 12, at yes at around 1 p.m. we started our lunch, and we finished up our lunch at around, we can say with the I guess the time duration within which we finished up our lunch was half an hour, and I can say we finished up our lunch at around like at 1:40. Yes, at around 1:40 we finished up our lunch, and after that I can say at first I tried to study some of the basically cover some of the part of the stuff, and after that I can say went to take a power nap, and after that I woke up myself at around today basically woke up myself at around 3 3:20, yes, 3:20 p.m. And after waking up myself, what I did was I be continued my study stuff, and after that, by the way, you can say in during the evening time, I can say I studied my that quantum mechanics part, and in the quantum mechanics part too, basically I studied about the that scattering stuff. Okay, about the total diffraction, the total that difference, not only total diffraction, total cross section. Scattering theory and the differential cross section, and also about the differential amplitude, and also like with the other stuff which I covered up that part, and also I solved some of the numerical problems actually. And let me show you basically what I studied. So what I studied was this that yeah, so this was the thing that I studied. Yeah, that's what the scattering theory in the quantum mechanics. Okay, and like I say in this scattering theory, the simple thing is this that let me say at first when a particle is striking to an obstacle, it gets deflected in different directions, and they, like I said, the properties let me say somewhat changed, and also somewhat not changed. Some of the particles is not changed, and let's say as we when basically there will be elastic scattering if they can say if there is no internal phase change, or when the internal properties change in between of the particles that are when they reflected after passing through that obstacle. Okay, like you can say the internal properties are same like before the collision or before the scattering, and after the scattering then only there will be a elastic scattering. So due to which basically, and like we just want to study out this step only, so we studied about the that elastic scattering stuff, we studied about that. And after that I can say basically I studied about the, as I mentioned in the few minutes back also, like few minutes back, or even the previous minute, that about the total differential total cross section, and also about the differential cross section, not cross section, differential cross section, and also about the differential amplitude, and about the solid angle, what are the, and also how the number of particles scattered, how we can find the number of particles scattered basically. And so basically let's say how we can find the, basically how we can find the that total cross section was this, that there was a simple formula like let's say that sigma can be found out like let's say integration of f theta phi. Okay, not exactly f theta phi, the integration of d sigma by d omega times d omega, and here the d omega, the in the multiplication is that solid angle, and the solid angle we can represent it by sin theta d theta d phi, and there will be double integral over the 0 to pi and 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so so this is stuff I studied about that stuff, and after that we can say at around 6:30 I left off my home for the football ground, and we can say we went, basically I went to the football ground, and I guess around 15 to 20 minutes basically I took to reach the football ground. And after that, when I reached there, I was quite, you can say, not surprised that no one was there. Like I can say hardly 2 to 3 people only were there, and rest no one was there. And after however, afterwards, after a quite sort of period of time, you can say the people arrived and we played the football match. And today I can say we just did the passing stuff in the football match, and we just enjoyed the playing the football match. And however, that scoreline was, you can say, tied. Okay, and after that, basically after doing the football match, basically I came back to my home, and after that, at first, you can say, I dried up of my sweat, and after that I went into the bathroom for getting myself bath, and after cleaning up myself, basically I wore the clothes, and after that I dried my wet clothes into the other room, or you can say outside into the gallery area. Okay, and after that what I did was this, that what actually I did. So basically, after that, I did this only, that I will say control my study stuff on the quantum mechanics part, like in say the scattering theory. Okay, and after that, I will say I finished up of my dinner at around 9:30, and after finishing up of my dinner, basically I did my head massage using the hair oil, and now I'm just recording this video. Okay, so after recording this, what I'm doing is basically I will continuing my that quantum mechanics part. And like I said, today was the day that I decided that at least I will cover the 1 unit of the pandemics, but like I say, I just got failed in that. Like I say, but I will be try to cover max to max possible. Okay, of the pandemics part, and also tomorrow is the day for electromagnetic, that electrodynamics. So I don't know how I'm going to manage, but still I will try my level best to do that stuff. So I guess so that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for being with me in this video, and we'll meet you tomorrow for sure without any doubt. So love you guys. Bye bye. Tata. See you. Bye bye. See you.